This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Well-maintained west/these updates in last 30 days, half bath west/new toilet, vanity, mirror, painted walls, vinyl flooring and plumbing fixtures. Backsplash around kitchen counters changed to subway tiles, 2 new ceiling fans. Florida has vinyl windows, and in this area you have a view of Section 2 lake. Tiled floors in living and bedroom, plus extra tiles being left by sellers. Air conditioner system changed in 2016 and used only in winter when needed. Accordion shutters on slider and bedroom windows. At foyer wall is partially removed, allowing more light to some into living area. Screen door at entry for additional light and breezes. Master bath toilet changed to Ada type. Laundry room west/full-size stack west/D and extra shelving plus cabinet for more storage. Cozy condo that makes a perfect home away from your northern home. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.